Children's, good morning. Today we are going to discuss cubic polynomial in chapter third. Look there, cubic polynomial. We discussed already about quadratic polynomial. We are going to um, discuss about cubic polynomial. So there is a general form of a cubic polynomial. General form of cubic polynomial. P of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. What is the degree of this polynomial? 3. 3, nothing but that is the cubic polynomial, which is the highest degree of the given polynomial must be 3. Then the given polynomial belongs to the cubic polynomial. Look there. So we discussed already how many zeros of the quadratic polynomial? 2. So let me take the zeros alpha and beta there. But here how many zeros of the cubic polynomial? 3. So it has 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial. So that's why we are taking if alpha comma beta gamma gamma alpha beta gamma are 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial. Then what is the cubic polynomial of the polynomial? P of x is equal to x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma into x minus alpha beta gamma. You know already, if alpha comma beta 2 zeros of the quadratic polynomial, P of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is a cubic polynomial. Here, that is the quadratic polynomial. Here, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, if alpha, beta, gamma are any 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial, what is that cubic polynomial? This is the cubic polynomial. Everyone should remember this cubic polynomial, and we are going to the verify relationship between zeros and coefficient. Here, what is that? Alpha, beta, gamma. What is the place of the alpha beta gamma? Minus b by a, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. This is the relationship zeros and coefficient. Now you are going to discuss one example problem. There is one example problem. You can observe then verify that 3 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. P of x is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3, and then verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Now we are going to show these number zeros of the cubic polynomial, and also verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. First, we take these numbers belong to the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Look there. Observe there. Given polynomial. What is that given cubic polynomial? P of x is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. We are going to show 3 is zeros of the cubic polynomial. So is 3 0 of the P of x? We are going to check. So P of 3. Why? Because put 3 at the place of x. P of 3 is equal to, just put at the place of x is equal to 3. 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. So 3 into 3 cube nothing but 27. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So 5 into 3 square nothing but 9. So 11 3 is 33 minus 3. 3 into 27, 81. 5 9 is 45. Minus. So we are going to the addition of negative terms. Minus 36. 81 bring down. So both are negative terms. Addition of negative term will be get minus 81. Plus 81 minus 81. 0. So we got the 0 when we are representing at the place of x is equal to 3. So 3 is the zeros of the P of x. I hope to understand. We proved 3 is the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Now check another 2. So minus 1 and 1 by 3. Look there. Observe there. So is minus 1 0 of the p of x. So p of minus 1 is equal to nothing but x nothing but minus 1. Why? Because we are going to the show minus 1 is zeros of the cubic polynomial. So that's why minus 1 put at the place of x, p of minus 1. So 3. So x nothing but minus 1 cube minus 5, x nothing but minus 1 whole square minus 11 into x nothing but minus 1 minus 3. So look, 3 into minus 3 whole cube, that means minus into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus into minus 1 1 is 1 1 1 is 1 minus 1. So that's why we wrote minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 whole square nothing but plus 1 minus 1 minus plus 11 1 is 11 minus 3. Look there, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 11. So minus 3 bring down as it is. So how many negative terms is there? 3 negative terms. Addition of 3 negative terms will be get minus 11 plus 11 minus 11 plus 11 will be get 0. So minus 1 is the zeros of the p of x. So we got the 0 when substitute the place of x will is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the zeros of the p of x. So next another one check. So observe that is 1 by 3 0 of p of x. So p of 1 by 3, you can take 1 by 3 at the place of x. So actually there is a given minus 1 divided by 3. So we take minus 1 divided by 3. So you can put 1 minus 1 by 3 the place of x. So 3 into minus 1 divided by 3 whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 divided by 3 whole square minus 11 into minus 1 divided by 3 minus 3. You can observe that this is the minus 1 whole cube minus 1. So 3 cube 27. So minus 3 into 1 divided by 27. And minus you can observe that minus 1 divided by 2 whole square minus 1 nothing but minus 1 whole square nothing but plus 1 3 square 9. So 5 into 1 by 9. So minus and minus plus 11 ones are 11 divided by 3 minus 3. So 3 ones are 3 nines are. So minus 1 divided by 9. 5 ones are 5 divided by 9 plus 11 divided by 3 minus 3. So minus look there, this is the minus 1 do the LCM of the 9 3 1 9 minus 1 and minus 5. So here denominator 3, so that's why multiply by 3, 11 into 3. There is no denominator, so multiply by 9. Minus 1 5 minus 1 minus 5. Addition of both two values minus 6. 11 3 is 33 and minus 2 9s are 3 9s are 27 divided by 9. So this is the both negative terms. So positive term we wrote here and negative term, addition of negative term will be get negative term minus 33 minus 33 divided by 9. So 0 divided by 9 nothing but 0. We got the 0. So what we can write? So minus 1 0 is also 0 of p of x. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. What is that? That is the 3 and minus 1 and minus 1 by 3. So students, we can observe that. So we know already 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial. So let me take alpha, beta, gamma are 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial. So already there is a 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial. So that's why we take alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. So what is that question? We verified already. We verified 3 minus 1 divided by 3 are zeros of the cubic polynomial. Okay, 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial. Now we are going to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So that's why check relationship between zeros and coefficient. Look there. So before we comparing given equation with general form of a cubic polynomial. So we get so at the place of a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to minus 11, d is equal to minus 3. So we discussed already these relationship zero sign coefficient. So first, what is that? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So you can substitute at the place of alpha, beta, gamma and a, b, c, d here. Look there, alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to minus 1 by 3. Already we took. So observe there. And minus b by a. Minus b, we got the comparing. When we are comparing general form of cubic polynomial, we get the a, b, c, d already. So what is the b negative minus b by a, minus we wrote, and b nothing but minus 5. So divided by a nothing but 3. So minus and minus plus. So 5 divided by 3. You can observe that 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 divided by 2. So what is the LCM of 3 here? So 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 divided by 3. So 6 minus 1 nothing but 5 divided by 3. So LHS RHS will be same. Now second one, what is that? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma beta gamma is equal to c by a. So alpha and beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha. So these values already we know. So these values substitute here and substitute and simplify there. So LHS, what is that? Minus 11 divided by 3. And also c by a. So c by a in RHS, c by a. C nothing but minus 11. A nothing but 3. So minus 11 divided by 3. So we simplify the RHS, LHS. So the LHS, what we get, that is equal to the RHS. And also third one, you can observe that alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus d by a. That is the third condition. So alpha, beta, gamma you can substitute there and minus d by a. So d here minus 3 and a is equal to 3. So substitute there, you can observe there. So alpha 3. So 3 3 will be cancelled. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus and minus plus 3 by 3 nothing but 1. So here also LHS and RHS are equal. So one more you can observe this problem and I will give one assignment, you can do problem and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.